Our friends over at Ohio Power Tool repair a lot of tools. For testing purposes, they set up their own pneumatic system, threading and running their own air lines. For years now, they've used a rigid 700 Power Pony to thread all of their black steel pipe for running air to their repair center. Today, they called us because they had a special demo tool on hand for one day and thought we might want to see it. So, we headed down to OPT, tried the tool out, and then promptly stole it. This is Cop Tool Special Coverage. This is the new Milwaukee M18 Pipe Threader. And if you're wondering why Milwaukee made one, well, we can sympathize. They made a powerful, competent tool, but they didn't make a stand, they didn't make oil, or even a set of dies. This uses rigid dies up to 2 inches. So to find out why Milwaukee decided it needed a pipe threader, we asked Jay at OPT to demo it for us and give us his thoughts. Here's what he had to say.
All right, this is the rigid Power Pony 700, and this is the new Milwaukee M18. We've used this. It's been basically the same model since I was little. We run it here to do airlines. It does a great job. It's more for not doing hundreds of threads, but you got smaller jobs. It's very portable. Die sets is great. And then this is the new one coming out. We just used the Milwaukee version to run the exact same pipe that we've done, 3/4 inch lines where we ran all our air lines through. A couple impressions, obviously battery powered is going to be super convenient. Just finding a cord, running extension cords, messing around with this, especially if you're running, you might not have power, that's huge. It's 2-speed, reverse is very easy. The back's flush. The auto stop was very nice. It kicks in pretty quick. It's not going to make more than 45-degree or 90-degree turn. It's about as heavy in terms of bulkiness. They're pretty close. The speed was pretty. It's pretty similar in 1 as the Power Pony. It speeds up a little bit in 2. It's not like wildly fast, but doing for what it does, it's definitely an improvement.
So there you have it. The new 2874 works as well as the rigid, with the obvious benefit of being the world's first cordless pipe threader. If you're anxious to get one of your own, Milwaukee tells us it will be available this July. So, what do you guys think? Is it going to be worth it to replace your current pipe threader for one that runs on your favorite battery platform? Let us know in the comments below. I want to thank Ohio Power Tool for inviting us to get a quick look at this guy. And don't forget to join us this Friday and every Friday at 5 p.m. for our Cop Tool Weekend Review. I'll see you then. This is a shark, right? There's no way any product engineer, product designer sketched this out and didn't say, yeah, I'm making a shark, right? Milwaukee shark, do. All right, sorry. It was a bad idea.